Is Instagram running slow on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you some quick and easy ways to make Instagram faster and smoother on your iPhone. So let's get started. Method 1. Clear recently deleted data. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger menu icon at the top right corner and select your activity. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, open any deleted post, reel, or story. Then tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Delete. Confirm the action from the pop-up menu. Now repeat the same steps for all items in the Recently Deleted section. This helps remove stored deleted data and frees up space inside the app. Method 2. Clear watch history. Next, go back to the Your Activity section. Scroll down and tap on Watch History. Now tap on Select at the top and choose the videos or reels you want to remove from the history. After selecting the items, tap on Remove at the bottom and confirm it. This helps clear background data stored from reels and videos. Method 3. Offload the Instagram app. Now exit Instagram and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. Find and tap on Instagram from the list of apps. Now tap on Offload app and confirm the action. This removes cache files, temporary bugs, and unnecessary data without deleting your login information. After that, tap on Reinstall app. Wait for the installation to finish, then open Instagram again. And that's it. If found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.